What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Now today we finna be installing a couple things. Like I was saying, if y'all didn't watch my last video, go check that one out. We installed a couple things on there too. But we finna be changing out this radio and this EQ, and we're gonna be putting an amp in the trunk so I can put my music back in. Now here go the EQ. It's probably gonna be the first thing we work on. A couple fuses I had. Here go the EQ. Come with some brackets and the screws, but I already got brackets and screws on that EQ. Try to get this out the bag. It's kind of tough doing it, I ain't gonna lie. Doing this with one hand. There we go. It's the EQ. So we gotta install that EQ. And then I was gonna install the little speakers too, but when I got this car, like as soon as I bought it, that was one of the first things me and my dad did. We put some new speakers up in there, and then we put some back there. Now don't mind them boards, we gotta fix them, but that was just something we can put in there temporarily so we can hear the music and make sure everything was working. So I gotta install this radio too. Now I got this radio from Walmart. It was on sale. I caught it on sale. It was like $80, I ain't gonna lie. Now I was thinking that was a great deal for a TV stereo and 2 speakers. So I went ahead and copped that. I got that now. So for the first thing we gotta do, I gotta take this piece off, and I gotta try to pull the radio out and then see the wire, how I got this wired up, because I was doing some little funky stuff with it, I ain't gonna lie. And then I gotta take this EQ out. Now I think I'm gonna do the EQ first. I've already unhooked the battery because I ain't trying to shock myself and did it one too many times. So I gotta take this off. I'm gonna go ahead and undo the brackets, and I'm gonna just transfer everything that's back there and put it onto this new EQ. So I'll be back in 1 second. All right, y'all, so I got the EQ, I got the couple cords plugged in. I just gotta plug in the power remote and the ground wire. So for me to do that, I gotta take this whole radio off real quick. So let me try and sit y'all up. It's the only bad thing about doing all this by yourself and not having a cameraman. You gotta do everything by yourself. Trying to find the right angles to record. Oh yeah, I forgot we put some brackets on there. All right, I gotta take these brackets. Off of here. I forgot we have rigged that up too so the radio will stay. There we go. I got that off. Now I got to see where we put the. Here you go. Here go the wire for the EQ. All of this right there. See, we had organized everything. I don't know what happened to it. I guess the dude at the shop maybe messed with it. I don't know. But I'm gonna have to take that off so I can put the new radio on. And I'm gonna have to try and get this EQ. So I gotta get the ground wire, the remote wire, and the power wire and try and hook it up real quick. So I'll be right back with y'all when I get ready to unbox this radio for y'all. All right, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this so I can install the radio and the EQ together. So some of these wires I don't want to get mixed up with. So it come with 2 speakers. These are the 2 speakers, but we're not gonna be taking those out today. We only finna mess with the radio. up. I might have to leave the radio installed, the one I already have in. They're the same screen size. But for my plugs, okay, it'll work. It'll work. Yep. Got that out of here. So we finna just plug these back here into the back, and there's only 2 plugs that need to go into, the red one and the white one. So that's the first thing we're gonna try, and go ahead and install this. Now it's just basically plug and play. I'm just gonna undo these 2 that went to the other radio, and then use this one and put this one in. Now I got my, where I put my electric tape. Got my electric tape, and I'm gonna use some of these too, instead of using all just electric tape. So some of the ones that we had to combine, I'm gonna use that. Go ahead and start running. I'm gonna have to clean out this car too, I already know, because I just been throwing stuff everywhere. But I don't want to. Twist them and twist them. I usually fold it down so it's a little easier to tape. You grab your electric tape, hold it down, grab your, I'll be right back once I get this done. Alright y'all, I finally got it finished. And I done made a mess all down here though, but it be alright. I got the EQ all plugged up, everything done. I got the stereo hooked up, everything plugged. But it's not playing. Like the radio playing, but I ain't got no radio plugged back there, so I can't play no radio. So why is my Bluetooth not working? Bro, this is BS, I ain't gonna lie. But we got them plugged up. I'm finna try and see what I can get it to work. Hold on. Alright y'all, my stupid self. All I had to do was click on the other Bluetooth. It was 2 Bluetooths to go to. One of them was, let me show y'all. One of them was the dual plug and the other one was that. I just had to click on that, so I got that. So it sounds pretty good, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, I'm finna unhook the battery again, then go to the trunk so I can try to install this amp. And I ain't trying to shock myself, so let me get to that, and I pull out the camera once I'm getting ready to hook everything up. Alright y'all, now we in the trunk. Now don't make fun of me for sitting in here, but it's the best way I can get in here. Now this fosgate, I wanted to keep it in here, but it don't stay on. The power light always turn red, so I think it's something on the motherboard on the inside of this amp that I have to fix. So I'm finna change it out and put this one on. See me, but you feel me, we finna go ahead and get this on. I gotta take it off first so then I can try and see everything a little better. not even moving. There it go. Finally. Show y'all. This is crazy, I ain't gonna lie. It's the only bad thing about these. Oh, it was already out. It's stuck in the amp, bro. I'm gonna have to get some more screws. But let me go ahead and try and put this in. Input. Put that on. Now I just gotta get these. Ground power. I tore up my Phillips screwdriver head. Go ahead. I get the ground and the power and the remote up. I'll be back in 1 second, man. Struggling. Alright, y'all. Now we gotta see if the amp can cut on. EQ. Come on, radio. Alright, radio on. Yep, connected. Alright, now let's go check. Yeah, both of them on. 1 and 2. Alright, now I just gotta go grab my sub, see what they're gonna sound like. I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited, I'm happy. Putting my own little touches on this car. So now I gotta grab the subs. It might take me a little minute to come back, but for y'all it's gonna be 1 second. So I'll be back in 1 second. Alright, man, it's the final check-in. Let's see if everything gonna work. The EQ on. I don't know why I gotta keep pressing the power button for this radio. Uh-oh, I hear the speakers. Yep. Yep. We in there. Come on now. Yes, sir. We fix it with the EQ, turn it up with the radio. Ooh. Oh my gosh, let's go. Turn all those up. Stay straight. Oh yeah, that's perfect. I hope I don't get copyrighted from this freaking thing though. Turn the radio up. I like to hear my music loud. Need the bass there. My grandma gonna get so mad at me, dog. I swear. She gonna go off when I pull up to the house with all this loud music, dog. But man, that's gonna conclude this video, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning in for me. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, road to 3K. And the next video y'all see from after this one is probably gonna be me working on my other old school car. I don't want to tell y'all what it is. Even though y'all probably gonna figure it out, most people might already know, like a couple of the homies. But make sure y'all like the video. Stay tuned for the next one. I love and appreciate y'all. Catch y'all in the next one, man.